Hello. To continue on with the description of this picture of this lovely model, I was just going to say her face, to me, looks kind of a combination between haunting and angelic, and I'm not sure which. But anyway, but as I said, what really caught my eye was the X's on the doors, the lighting coming through, the bars at the side, just a very complete and total sort of setting. One that you just, unless you were in such a place, it would be almost impossible to recreate. And it was just, if it hadn't been sunny and the light hadn't been streaming in, it might not have been anything quite so special. It might not have. So there you have it. I don't think I ever gave this picture a name. I don't think I ever did. So, but I hate the thing to say that something is untitled. Um, so maybe this would be Lovely Lady in a Barn. Perhaps it would. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you remember when you're out shooting, you know, yes, stick to the plan, but if the plan just isn't or just can't, don't just give up. Look for something else. Look for another location, another opportunity, maybe different wardrobe or something. Never give up. No, don't make the trip out to somewhere with a model and whoever else, your entourage, and has to go and just say, "Oh, this won't work." So we're wrapping, we're scrubbed, forget it. There's always some other opportunity. There's always somewhere to look at, somewhere to find, and you just never know. So as I say, train your eye, keep training your eye, and look. It's funny. This picture, of course, is basically I'm straight in front of her, and typically I do look for other angles, but in this case, the best angle was straight on. And it reminded me of, I was once on a TV show, and they were going to have this guy helping this lady get stuff out of her car, her groceries, or whatever, and there was all this kerfuffle about, well, we could do this, and we could do this, and we could do that. And, really, it wasn't a critical shot in the whole thing. It was just a quick thing. And the director said, and I'll never forget these words, we don't have to be clever. So sometimes the answer is right in front of you. Sometimes it's very simple. And in this case, it was the symmetry that made it magical. And so I did my best to be directly in the middle, and she was in the middle. We lined it up. And here is the result. Anyway, a timeless image, which hopefully she will share with her people. And and now I'm here sharing it with you. So until we meet again, thanks for coming. Have a lovely, lovely day. Bye for now.